Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of culinary excellence with the T-fal stainless steel cookware set, an 11-piece marvel designed for both style and practicality. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this set promises long-lasting durability and consistent cooking performance, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. The set includes everything you need: 8 and 10-inch fry pans, a 3.5 quart covered sauté pan, 1.5 and 3 quart covered saucepans, a 7 quart covered Dutch oven, and a stainless steel steamer. With its even heating capabilities, you can say goodbye to hot spots and hello to reliable cooking results every time. The riveted stainless steel handles offer ultimate comfort and control, while the vented glass lids, measuring marks, and pouring spouts save you time and effort. This versatile cookware is dishwasher and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and is compatible with all cooktops, including induction, making meal preparation a breeze. Plus, with a limited lifetime warranty, you can cook with confidence knowing your investment is protected. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.